Ready to unleash the ultimate audio experience for your PC? First, locate the tiny USB receiver that came with your G733 headset. It's super important. Now, plug that receiver into an available USB port on your computer. Front or back, it's totally up to you, but try the back first for a cleaner look. Next, make sure you have Logitech G HUB installed. If you don't, head to Logitech's website and download it. Once installed, open G HUB. It should automatically detect your G733. Within G HUB, you can customize your audio settings, adjust the microphone levels, and even personalize the RGB lighting on your headset. Finally, double-check your Windows sound settings to ensure the G733 is selected as your default audio device for both playback and recording. Right-click the speaker icon in your system tray, go to Open Sound Settings, and pick G733. That's it. You're all set to enjoy crystal clear audio and immersive sound with your Logitech G733 headset. Get gaming.